Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add name to your Microsoft account. Now let's get started. Most times when you sign up for Microsoft account, all you need to input actually is your email and password. But now when you're in, you need to add your name. You can see add name, so click on add your name. The first way you can get it. You can also go through the profile by clicking on your info, and then you see this option of full name here, and you click on add the name here. This is the shortcut. Shortcut is just click on add your name from the home page. So you put in your first name, put in your last name, then you have to enter the character you see. And then click on save. And your name has been saved. As you can see, it's as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful on how to add name to your Microsoft account. Don't forget, I said the other way you can do it is from your home page. Is the home page. You click on your info. We don't have to use the shortcut, and then you see the edit name over here, and then you put in, it brings you back here. So it's as simple as that. Those are the two ways to add your name in your Microsoft account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. That's it for today everyone. See you in the next video. Bye for now.